Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I want to make a quick video on the Note 10 Plus. This is the black version Sprint. In my description there will be one alike that you can buy. Okay, so this is a Note 10. Okay, get it open. This will be unboxing. So this is the phone. Beautiful. Look at that. Awesome phone. So now what comes in the box? You have a new type of charger. As you can see, it's a USB-C in both sides now. And this is the charger. And this is supposed to be a super fast charger. You have to transfer data or connect USB stuff. You have your AKG earplugs and your double USB-C plug. As you can see, is both the same. And now I was suffering that it doesn't have a headphone jack, as you can see, but the headphones has, as you can see, it has a USB-C plug, so it will plug right here. Okay, so that is about it. I will have more upcoming videos on different stuff on the phone, about the pen and everything, the stylus. Well, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Any comment below.